Hello everyone. Welcome to our class of Canva, CapCut, and Premiere Pro for learning social media video editing. This is a beginner level class. So if you're planning to learn Canva, CapCut, and Premiere Pro for social media video editing, then you are in the right place. Because in this class, we will cover everything to get you started with Canva, CapCut, and Premiere Pro. Let's take a look what you will learn from this class. Introduction, vintage cinematic video edits, fashion cinematic video edits, product promo video edits, educational video edits, storytelling video edits, before and after transition video edits, simple lifestyle vlog video edits, green screen video edits, sports video edits, color grading cinematic video edits, corporate video edits, and movie trailer edit. After completing this class, you'll be able to master video editing tools and basics, create vintage cinematic effects, edit stylish fashion videos, produce product promo videos, create educational content, edit compelling storytelling videos, add smooth before and after transitions, edit lifestyle vlog videos, work with green screen effects, edit dynamic sports videos, apply cinematic color grading, and create corporate and movie trailer edits. This is a project-based class, so during learning, you will have class project. So what you have learned, you will be able to participate in class project and you can practice while you are learning. You will have supporting resources in this class, so it will be easier for you to learn. During learning, if you face any issue or if you have any question, then feel free to ask me. I'm always there for you to help you out. So let's start learning Canva, CapCut, and Premiere Pro for learning social media video editing together.